In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in ClickUp. Whether you're managing projects, tracking tasks, or organizing your workflow, ClickUp is a powerful tool that can also help you streamline your invoicing process. By using ClickUp's templates, you can quickly create customized invoices to suit your business needs, saving you time and ensuring consistency. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process from accessing the templates to fully customizing and saving them for future use. Let's get started. First, open ClickUp and navigate to your home screen. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll see your main team space. Locate it and hover your mouse over the team space name. To the right of the name, you'll notice 3 small dots. Click on these dots to open a menu of options. From the menu that appears, select the template option. This will direct you to the template hub, where you can explore a variety of pre-designed templates. Next, click on the Browse Templates button. This will give you access to the full library of templates available in ClickUp. Now, in the search bar at the top, type in the word invoice. This will filter the results and show you all the relevant invoice templates. Take a moment to preview the options available. You can click on each template to get a closer look and decide which one best fits your needs. Once you've made a decision, select the template that works for you. After selecting your template, click Use Template to begin working on it. At this point, you'll want to name your template so you can easily identify it later. Be as descriptive as possible with your title. For example, you could name it something like Client Invoice June 2024. With your template ready to go, it's time to customize it. This is where you can really make it your own. Begin by adding your company details such as your business name, address, and contact information. Then include your client's details such as their name, address, and any other relevant contact information. Make sure to incorporate project specifics such as a description of the services provided, itemized costs, and total amounts. You can also add your company logo, set payment deadlines, and adjust any other details to match your unique requirements. Once you've finished customizing the template, click Use Template again to activate your finalized invoice. This step ensures that your invoice is ready to use and fully customized to your liking. Finally, save your template for future use. This way you won't have to start from scratch every time you need to create a new invoice. Double-check that all the information, such as client addresses, payment terms, and itemized lists, is accurate and updated consistently. This will help maintain professionalism and avoid any errors down the line. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start creating invoices today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.